Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is the last one, I think, of the February shout out challenge videos. I will do some more shout outs. I'll move them, as I said before, probably to a Saturday and maybe not every week, just when I can do a little bit of researching and get some shout outs together. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe, because I'm shouting myself, and subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll be informed when there's new stuff. There's always lots of new stuff. So who have we got this time? Number one for this particular week is Charmed Grammy Crochet, and that's Lynette. Now I've watched Lynette for a long time, since way before I had a channel. And she does tutorials, she does unboxings and crochet alongs, giveaways, and I can't read my own writing. She show and tells a lot and does lots and lots of stuff. She's a lovely lady, and I really enjoyed when she went on holiday and she actually did a video from there. That was quite cool, really enjoyed that. Now she stands at the moment at, God, I really do need to write a little bit better, 1.43k. I scribbled, sorry about that, but I believe that's what I put. I think so. My second one, I've shouted this lady out before, but not in one of these videos, and that's Madonna Ballard. I love Madonna Ballard. She is the funniest, the absolute funniest lady you will come across. She does have a lot of content now. She does really cute crochet items, which she doesn't do tutorials for, but she did a little doggy tux and a hat to go with it. Just adorable. She has playlists that she's got show and tell, she's got shout outs, lives, swaps, all kinds of stuff, but everything she does is really funny, so well worth a watch. Now Madonna's at 1.46. I can understand my writing on that one, but she is well worth watching. You'll love her, she's funny. Now my third one is nothing to do with crochet. It's a lady called Laura Lee. Been a subscriber of her for a long time. I don't watch her very often now because I don't get to wear makeup much now, but when I used to go out, I did used to watch. She's got a lot of makeup tutorials, but not just tutorials. She does product reviews and unboxings, and she's got an awful lot of girly shizzle on there, you know, like a bit of girly stuff now and then. But yeah, so that's Laura Lee. She's got lots of subscribers. I didn't write it down, but she's got loads. Number 4, I've got Epic Yarn Gems. Now Epic Yarn Gems has just got over 1k. Her name's Lisa and she does stitch tutorials. I have to write it down as I can't remember everything off the top of my head. She does giveaways, reviews and shout outs. She's well worth a watch. She's lovely, Lisa. And number 5 doesn't really need a shout out from me, and I'm going to pronounce the name badly, I know it. It's Ford Asmat. Yarn Utopia by Nadia. She's got 289,000, so she really doesn't need me to shout out. But what I want to tell you about, if you haven't seen hers, is the 365 days of granny squares. She's got a multitude of granny squares. It's not just that, she's got loads of tutorials, loads of other stuff. Well worth looking at. Number 6, not going to be good for everyone this, but if you're from the UK, Christopher Collects is pretty cool. It shows you the hidden treasures that you'll find in your change. Or he does collects coins, and he will tell you which 20p coins, which 50p coins, which pound coins, £2 coins are worth money. So the hidden gems in your change, well worth looking at. Number 7, I forgot to tell you, he's got 41,000 subscribers. Number 7 has lots too, 36,000, nothing to do with crochet, and his name is Kent Altera. Been watching him for quite a long time. He does Atkins diet, low carb recipes, and he does cooking, you know, not just the recipe, but you can watch him cook it. And I like Kent, so he does a lot of other factual stuff on his channel as well, so he's well worth looking at. Number 8, as well as having a really cool name, Creatively Tracy, spelt the same way as me too, has 647 subscribers, so she is in need of helping. She does lots of yarny goodness on her channel. She's got swaps, acquisitions and whips and chats, unboxing, and God knows what that's. Oh, reviews. Yeah, so well worth looking at. Number 9 is Ola Jo, the Crocheting Sailor. And she's a lovely lady, and she's got lots on her channel, lots of shopping, shout outs, giveaways, happy mail, blog posts, beginners videos like tutorials, and she's at 2.39k. She does also take part, as lots of these do, not apart from the ones that are not crochet, take part in the community, which is pretty good, like support other channels. And number 10, but by no means least, is Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. She's just reached her 1k. She's got 1.03, and she does shopping and yarn hauls, I think that says, tutorials, giveaways and happy mail. Lots of content. I really do need to learn to scribble a bit more legibly. But yeah, that's the last, I think, of the challenge shout outs. Still playing with the book, can't resist it. So yeah, next time I do one, it'll probably be on a Saturday, may not be next week. It just depends, because I want to make sure that I look and check out the channels that I'll shout out to you. I don't want to just reel off a list of names. I want you to be able to know what I'm saying is true. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all again really soon. Bye for now.